The second abstract is development and validation of first AGCC compliant clinical staging system for localized prostate cancer. It is a result from multi-center international study. Primary author is Bob Dace. The background for the study is the prognostic cancer staging is important and it provides exchange of information. It is helpful in clinical trial design and also for treatment recommendation. Prostate cancer staging historically being anatomically based. The first five editions of AGCC were mainly based on TNM. Then there was introduction of non-anatomical prognostic variables, Gleason and PSA. In sixth edition, Gleason's was adopted, and in seventh, PSA was also adopted. In eighth edition, there was not many changes, and as per AGCC Precision Medicine Core, they had established a criteria to evaluate statistical prediction model quality. But when during devising this 8th edition, no model met criteria for localized prostate cancer, and they relied on experts' consensus to make the AGCC edition for prostate cancer. So this study group set out to build one prognostic model. They had more than 60 institutes in North America and Europe, academic and community practices. They included non-metastatic patient treated definitively with either surgery or EBRT, brachy plus minus ADT from 1992 to 2013. The primary endpoint was prostate cancer specific mortality. They could occur total 19,000 patients. 63% underwent surgery, 30% EBRT, 7% brachytherapy. Median follow-up was 6 years, and more than 4,000 patients had more than 10 years of follow-up. They had randomly divided this patient into a validation cohort and training cohort. The validation cohort was then blinded for analysis until the analysis of training cohort was done. Then they built a model in on training cohort. Statistical analysis of this model was done, and then it was internally validated also. And after validation, they had locked the model, and then validation code was unblinded for external validation. External validation was done with validation code and also with shared cohort. This is the factors they had included. Age 50 to 70 was a reference range which was given 0 score. Similarly, T stage T1A to C and 0 Gleason's of 6, percentage of positive or less than 50%, and PSA less than 6. These were given score of 6, 0, and accordingly they had depending on their findings, they had given different scoring for uh, significance of these factors. Um, then they had plotted the prostate cancer specific mortality. This is a total 9-tier system. Uh, each score is being plotted here, and as we can see at 10 years, approximately 40% of patients having more than 70 score had a prostate cancer related mortality. They had seen this in validation score also, and this shows the distribution of this score in validation cohort, and it was correlated quite well with the study cohort. And as can be seen, T3 stage, it correlated quite well with given scoring system, new system. And they to evaluate it with AGCC 8 edition, they had also concordant index for the scoring system, and is it can be seen it is better the C index, better the staging system. So we can see at 10 year the value is 0.796, better than AGCC 8 edition, and they had evaluated it on CR data also, and it is shown to be better. For calibration also at 10 year, they fared well this current scoring system compared to AJCC. And overall performance of the model at 10 years also, it is showing better compared to AGCC 8. They had also compared this system with other systems, NCCN grouping system, which is 3 tiers, that is low, intermediate, high, 4 tiers, intermediate divided into 4, favorable, unfavorable, and then 6 tiers, low divided into very low and very high. Here also we can see the scoring system fares well compared to this 3-tier system. So takeaway from this trial was localized prostate cancer remains a disease with highly heterogeneous prognosis. The proposed system will meet criteria put forward by Precision Medicine Core. It leverages routine clinical and pathological data, but further work is required to incorporate genomic and advanced imaging into our daily developed staging system.